Hello everyone, my name is Samiksha Sahu and I was enrolled in GATE Academy's PD course in 2019. When I started my journey for the preparation of GATE, I was a bit confused at which lectures to follow, and even on YouTube we have so many lectures, we have so many teachers teaching the same topic, so I was very confused. But when I came to know about GATE Academy's PD GD course, I was very excited because I was fascinated by Umesh Dhande sir and his team. So it took me no minute to decide that I have to take this course and start my preparations. I bought the course very initially when the product was launched. So in the starting there were certain issues, but GATE Academy's technical team is very helpful and has been very helpful, and they respond to our messages very soon, and they help us in any manner they can. I have completed almost all the subjects and I can give you a genuine review about the course. I started with network theory, and our teacher was Umesh Dhande sir, and in my opinion I have never seen any teacher who has given each and every concept so nicely that we now know each and every aspect of that subject. He starts from the basics and take us at that top level where we can make each and every question very easily. I really like the way he taught us, and the amount of energy that he had, and he imparted that amount of energy to us even. And I never got bored when Umesh Dhande sir was teaching us. In my opinion, what all I know about network is due to the Umesh Dhande sir. Talking a little bit about the workbook is very detailed, and it contains each and every questions that build your basic concepts and take you to an advanced level. So the workbook consists of 3 sections. One is the MCQ and NAT, and the other section is of the practice question, and the last section is questions of assignment, which are given for our ease and for our development of the concepts. Saurabh Thakur sir is a person with great knowledge with the concepts of aptitude. He even builds the concepts of GK. He even motivates us. Gurupal sir is the coolest and the most helpful teacher that I've come across. He teaches with so much ease that if we are even doing any difficult question of maths, we do not feel that burden, we do not feel that pressure. He advances the course with such an ease and such a smooth pace that I'm sure that even a lame person can start with maths and he'll be able to achieve that confidence within just 1 month. The communications subject and EMFT was taken by Saket Verma sir, and these were the subjects that I considered very tough because they were very conceptual. And talking about EMFT, I was afraid of the electrostatics and the magnetostatics part, but as I said, all the teachers just try to build your concepts from the basics and take you at a level that you can do any question. So same with Saket Verma sir, and the good part about him is that he even provided certain revision lectures, so that after completing the entire course we can have a glimpse of what all we have learnt in the entire course. Sujoy sir taught us digital electronics, and digital electronics is one of the longest subject amongst all the subject, and it is one of the most important subject from where we receive lot of questions. But the concepts given by Sujoy sir was so easy that a question could be solved within minutes. So I thank Sujoy sir for making that subject so easy and putting all his efforts so that we can understand the concepts very well.